common problem with pivot tables is that sometimes it looks like it is showing old data. So in this example here, you'll see we've got a pivot with some data, and there's London, New York, Joburg, and the pivot shows Joburg, London, New York. If I delete the data and I refresh the pivot, you'll see even though Johannesburg has gone away, on the drop down it still shows, and on any slicer it still shows. So to avoid this happening, this is a pivot table setting. What you do is you go to the pivot table, right click on it, and you go to pivot table options, and under data you'll see it says here number of items to retain per field automatic, and that tells it to try and remember some of the old items. I'm going to click on it and change it to none, and when I say OK, and I'm now going to just refresh it. So now the difference is when you click here, it no longer shows that as an option, and you would have seen the slicer also removes it as an option.